There are two ways though you can quickly star a new board on your Miro home dashboard. The first way is to find that board, of course, on home and click the star right here towards the right. That you star the board, right? Something like a favorite. Another way is if you click the three dots and you will find it as well as a star this board. It does the same thing. So whichever way you want, that's how you can quickly star your board or favorite it. Makes it easy to identify for the purpose of this. And that's it. Once you do those start board, then you can find them on the left hand side. On the start section, you can easily find those specific boards that are start. So if you have a whole bunch of boards that you're working with and you don't want to scroll through to find all of those boards on home, you want to only check those start or those favorite boards, you can find them once you start them here. So I'm going to start another one right here. Go back to start on the left hand side, and now you can see that I have both there. And once you come here, you can always go back and unstar them if you don't want to keep them there anymore. But that's it.